This is Module 6, discussing copyright, and discussing question 1 about anything that we've learned that would change my mind about how we would use intellectual property of others. So we learned in the Spectre text that as far back as in the Simonson text, that even as far back as centuries ago in Europe, that laws began to come into place with the advent of the printing press. So those were necessary to protect the authors of those materials. Spectre in that text laments the ceding of ethical behavior to the laws, but unfortunately the laws are necessary, and hopefully people would act ethically in spite of the laws. Holder reminds us to consider everything that we encounter, even on the internet, to be copyright protected. And so in regard to the myths that were listed in Simonson, I'm not sure if they're necessarily myths as much as they are also probably misunderstandings or misconceptions about what is and is not copyrighted. So going forward, what would change is just considering everything that we find and encounter on the internet to be probably copyright protected, and just to be safe in that regard.